as exciting as it is, it's not a nice day out. It's been raining out, it's cloudy, it's not been nice out. But we're up relatively early. I think it's like 9:30. No, it's actually 10 o'clock. I woke up at 9. But we're taking the dogs out. Kensley is right there. She's eating watermelon in a sandbox. Dad's still in bed, which is alright because he worked late last night and he is working 2 stores today, so he's going to be late again today. But just said I'd let you know we are bringing the dogs out. Kensley's playing. There's Sully. Good day. See you guys later. Look at her. There she is. So this is Bounce Around. New in town. Been open now, 6 months. Kensley loves it. Look at her. 1. Kensley, go! Jump! No, she's gonna slide. It's good to last forever. You have fun? Kenzie, you having some Chinese? Here at the Lucky Buffet. Super good. Kenzie, what are you doing, honey? You playing in your pool? Well, your pool needs to be clean, girl. Wow. Because that's what you get for going from the sandbox to the pool regularly. Happy Saturday! Happy Saturday, everybody. I know I said that it was awful outside earlier, and I want to just rephrase it. It was not as nice as it has been. It had rained earlier in the morning, but I mean, it wasn't raining at that moment. It wasn't snowing. It was still a pretty nice day. But look at it out now. It's blue skies. It's so nice out. We're out here with the dogs.